biography, then and give you an overview about my talks. So basically, I have a bachelor degree in computer science from the Belize University. I am basically from Lebanon. I'm living here. I have master's in computing from Switzerland, EPFL, and PhD in applied mathematics from France. I'm currently associate professor at Beirut Arab University, Lebanon, and I'm the director of Data Science Center. I am IEEE senior member, IET fellow, and the languages that I'm using, the English, French, and Arabic. And you can see here in the slide some links to my research profile. So regarding my talks, first, please allow me to thank IEEE Computer Society for this initiative. And special thanks goes to Kerry to handle all the requests. I can imagine the bunch of emails that you receive, Kerry, and handle all these things properly. Regarding the talks that I'm delivering to the chapters, the first one is about data science and big data and smart cities. So basically, I'm combining the three hot topics nowadays. So data science and big data. So how we use the data science techniques and algorithm in big data, and how can we use them in smart city. So when we talk about smart city, we talk about big data. Then how we can make analytics of big data by using the data science. My second talk is about social media intelligence. So here I'm talking about some tools and techniques, how we can benefit from the social media in the business sector. The third topic is about smart learning in smart cities. So basically here I developed some application in Moodle, and how can we integrate those applications or those add-ins in the smart cities framework. Another topic is about it's kind of introduction to data science. So I'm started from scratch. Another topic about machine learning with Firebase. So this is kind of workshop. I'm delivering this one usually in a lab setup. And the last one, before the last one, is introduction to natural language processing, and this is mainly kind of workshop for I can say for students. The last one is about data science and big data. So basically, some of my talks are research oriented. Some of other talks are like workshop for students. And usually when I receive a request from a chapter, we discuss first the kind of audience that I'm going to have. Sometimes I'm going to meet student chapters. So basically I'm reducing a little bit the research part. I'm focusing on the practical part, and sometimes I make it like a workshop inside the lab. So it depends of the situations. So till now, I did many visits. I visit Istanbul, Turkey, the computer chapter there, and Dubai in Emirates, Amman, Jordan, Africa, Burkina Faso, and Oman, Muscat. So basically, I'm happy with my experience, and the most important thing that I would like to share with you, it's always better to when we go to on a DVP visit to just remind the audience, because maybe someone already members, some others not, about the benefits of joining the society. And basically it's kind of learning from both sides. So when I go to Turkey, I see some different experience in that chapter. So I'm taking this experience with me. Then when I go to another country, so I share that experience. So I think it's good also to have such to keep this point with us when we go on visit. So till now, I'm very happy with this initiative, and thank you again for IEEE Computer Society